welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is an unboxing of an advent calendar. It is the Center of Attention Cosmetics advent calendar. So if you want to see what's in here today, then make sure you keep watching. And if you like today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. So just before we jump into unboxing the advent calendar, I did want to quickly mention, I apologize, there's a cot in frame. It actually has one of my dogs in it because he has hurt his knee and is on like limited mobility at the moment. And if I put him in the cot and move him anywhere else, he will whine the whole video. So he's gonna sit here next to me. So this advent calendar was 150 Australian dollars and it retails for 200 Australian dollars. So unfortunately it is all sold out now, but Courtney did mention that she's definitely looking to do a bigger and better for next year. So I'm excited to see what's in this. I have had some sneaky little peeks being in her members or supporters group on Facebook. She does put some like sneak peeks and stuff in there and some spoilers and stuff. So yeah, I have seen a few little things that may be in here. So I'm very excited and I'm so glad that I was able to get one. She sold out in less than 3 minutes of these. So I want to say a massive congratulations, Courtney. You so deserve it. And I'm sure everyone, including me, is going to absolutely love every single item that's in this box. It's the time we've all been waiting for. We're going to unbox it. Now, if you don't want to see what's in the box, you don't want any spoilers, please leave the video and watch it once you've opened your own, because I am showing everything that is in this box today. First of all, let's open up the little purple ribbon on the front here. And then the box opens like this. How stunning is this packaging too? It is so pretty. Absolutely love it. And it is quite a giant box as well, so I'm really happy about that. Now Courtney did fold all these boxes herself and put them together, and it looks pretty perfect to me, so you did a great job, Courtney. So let's jump in. We're going to go in with number one first, which is this one up the top here. So let's grab it out. So it is quite a big box and it's quite weighty as well, so let's see what's in number one. Oh look, it is all packaged up with like tissue paper as well. That is so cute. All right, it's very well packaged. Oh my god, what is this? Oh my goodness, so it's in bubble wrap. It's black and silver. Let's open it up. I'm so excited. It's an empty magnetic palette and it actually has a mirror as well. Is this code for there's going to be eyeshadows in here? Oh, I hope so. This is a really cute little palette as well. I love that. So this is a day one. Okay, so that was a day one. Let's jump into day two. That one is down here. Ooh. This one's like a little square container. It's an eyeshadow. Oh, there's 2 eyeshadows in here. Ooh, oh, these are perfect. These are both matte shades here. So let me see if it's got the names. Yes, so this is Triggered and this is Whiskey Woo. Now these shades are actually in her Rated M palette, and they are some of the fan favorites. So they're in this palette of hers. This is Triggered here. And Whiskey Woo is this one here. You can see that. Let me swatch them for you. So Triggered and Whiskey Woo. These are definitely fan favorites. So this is Triggered. Absolutely love that one. And Whiskey Woo is like the perfect shade for me because I'm like Casper Ghost. So that shade is like a perfect like crease shade for me. Let's see if we can get that up a bit better. So that is those 2 shades there. So I am super excited about that because both Triggered and Whiskey Woo are definitely some of my favorite shades in there. And Whiskey Woo, I've got like a big indent. I'm sure I'm gonna hit pan soon, so I now have some backups. Next up is day 3, which is this big one in the center here. So let's pull this one out. Ooh, I'm so excited. Oh my god! I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I love it. I love it. So she has done, I can get it out. She has done some Christmas powder puffs. So it's like a pinky red and a white. So it's like a candy cane sort of powder puff little ones. I have her other sets as well. This is one of hers, the purple version. Her normal ones I think are black, purple, and I just used this one today. So it's black, purple, and this color. So I'm so excited. This one's like pinky red, and pink and red are my favorite colors. So I'm so excited. Love the packaging of this, and you can always use these for everything. So I'm so excited that these are in here. And then there was actually also a little Model Rock skinny sticks in here. So this is Sweet Kiss. Now I think from memory, I think these are like they're sort of like a crayon. Yeah, they're sort of like a crayon, like lip liner. So it is in this shade here. It's actually really pretty. Let me swatch it for you. I'll put it underneath. Ooh, that's actually a really nice shade. It's a really nice like nudie color, so that will like suit everyone. Sorry, even the ones that don't like super colorful things like I do. All right, let's jump into a day 4, which is this one down here. This one's got a bit of weight to it as well. Ooh, I'm so excited. There's more shadows. Okay, so we've got another matte one, and then we have a shimmer. So we have here Pink Lemonade. It's like a really nice light pink. I'm so excited because I love pink. And this one is Spoiled, and it's like a shimmery shade. Now we do have Spoil in her palette. It is this one here. So let me swatch this one for you. But Pink Lemonade is actually a new shade, so I'm super excited about that. So let's put that here. So this is the shimmer. Absolutely stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. So this is the shade here, and I've got it on my finger, so let me swatch it next to these ones for you. So this is Pink Lemonade, this one here. It is so pretty. I absolutely love it. Yay. All right, let's jump into day 5, which is next to number 4. Ooh, we've got another shade. And we also have a little Christmas like pin. That is so cute. This is the character that Courtney absolutely loves. I think her Christmas tree is like themed after like Nightmare Before Christmas. And the shadow we got is one of her glitter shadows. So this is Flick Your Bean. And that is actually in her Rated M palette as well. It is this gold glitter down here. So let me just get a swatch. I love her glitters. You don't need any adhesive or anything with them. So let's pop it up the top here. It is so pretty. Look at that gold glitter. Oh, I love it. Please excuse my dog snoring. That was a super cute day. So that was day 5. So let's go into day 6, which is this one up here. Ooh, what's in this one? It's a Plushes Park. Oh my god, I need a new one of these because I'm almost out of mine. But this is different. It's a mint one. It's a like Christmas version. So excited. So this is the packaging. And it's just Plushes Pluck. This is her lip balms. This packaging is so pretty. Look at this. It is stunning. Look at that red writing. Oh, I love it. Let's smell. Oh, it smells like peppermints. You know, like the candy canes when you're a kid, or those red and white like circle lilies. It smells like that. Yum. I love anything mint. So this is really, really cool. So this is her lip balm. I actually have, mine's looking a bit worse for worse because I've almost run out of mine. But this is her original one. And yeah, I'm almost out of mine. This one's like a minty smell as well, but this smells like a bit stronger, like a bit more like a peppermint. So I'm super excited to get one of them. These, I absolutely love these. They're so soft and smooth on your lips. I always apply mine before doing my makeup and let it like marinate on my lips, so that my lips aren't so dry when I go in and do my lips at the end of my makeup. So it's day 6, so let's go in with day 7, which is down here. Oh my god, there's another 2 shades. Okay, so we've got 2 matte shades here. So we've got Majora, and then we have Winey, which is like a purpley winey. So both those shades are also in her palette. So Majora is down here, and Winey is right here in the middle there. So let's give those 2 a quick swatcheroo. I'm gonna have to go under the lip liner, so I didn't save any room. So that is Majora, and then we've got Winey. Sorry for my swatches, I'm not very good at swatches. So far, the color story is absolutely stunning. I think it's like very universal. Everybody's gonna love these colors. Even people that aren't like super duper into like colors, they just want more of a neutral. I think this like suits everyone. Okay, that was day 7. Let's go in with day 8, which is this a big one here. Oh yes, oh. All right, we got another matte shade. This is in the shade Deep. I actually use this shade quite a bit in my Rated M palette. It's like a nice dark matte brown. Let me swatch that for you. So that is this one here, and it is absolutely stunning. I use it so much. So let's give that a swatcheroo. Oh, that is so pretty. I just love how seamless her shadows are, and there's like no fallout. It's pretty much the only palette I reach for these days. And we got one of her makeup brushes, which I'm so excited about because I absolutely love her makeup brushes. So this is the COA 08. So it's a really nice like blending brush. Absolutely stunning. These brushes are beautiful. I love the color of it, and they're just so soft and so nice to use. All right, let's go with day 9, which is this one here. 3 more after this one. All right, let's have a looky. This one's like a nice long one. I wonder what's in this one. It's another one of her brushes. Oh my god, I love this one for foundation. Yeah, this is the one I use for my foundation. This is the COA 02. Absolutely beautiful. Now, I prefer a sponge over a brush for foundation, but I don't know what magic she did to these brushes. These just work absolutely beautifully for foundation and like cream products. It's just like a magic brush. So excited because yeah, these brushes are amazing, and her whole brush set has been sold out for quite a while, so I haven't been able to get any more. That was day 9, so on to day 10 is this one here. I don't want it to end. Oh, let's open you up. I wonder if this is another eyeshadow. Yes! This was the other sneak peek that we got. Oh, yes. So this is another exclusive shade to the advent calendar at the moment. So this is in the shade Glisten, and it's like an iridescent kind of shade here. I'm so excited about it. The 2 shades that she chose that are exclusive was pink and this iridescent color. Oh my goodness, this shade is everything. Oh, I was in love with that pink, but this one, yes ma'am. Oh my goodness, this color is not even gonna like pick up on camera, but it is so iridescent. Oh, I'm in love. So is this her? Yeah, this is her like glitter formula, I think. Feels like it. Let's pop it up the top here because it just needs to be like front and center. Let me grab a little bit more. Oh, that is stunning. Look at that color story. That is everything. That is Christmas and all year round. So that was day 10. Let's go in with day 11. This one here. Oh my god, I'm so excited about these. So this is a cream blush. Now these have not been released yet, so this is an exclusive for the advent calendar at this stage. But this is in the shade Pretty Petal, and it's the flushed cream blush. So this is the packaging. Absolutely stunning. And this is the cream blush. It is so pretty. Oh, let's open it up. It has like a sponge applicator. All right, let's pop it down here. Oh my god, look at that shade. Now that's just like directly on my arm. It's not blended out. So let's give it a little bit of a blend. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, that is pretty. I love it. I'm in love. Courtney, you have done it again. Yes, again. Okay, and the lucky last one, I don't want it to end, but it's day 12. Is this one here. It's a really long box. It has her blackout. Okay, so this is her black gel liner. It's like a little gel pot. It's absolutely fabulous. I already have this. I'm not going to open this one up because I'll finish my other one first before opening this. And there is a like graphic liner or just a general liner brush in here as well. So this is her COA 17. I absolutely love these. I think I've got about 5 of them now. I use these for all my like little water activated details, or even the liner that I've got on today. I used one of these brushes to do that. Okay, so this is what her little blackout liner looks like. It's in like a frosted glass. Now this is for all of like the gel liner enthusiasts out there. This is really, really amazing. Like, it is black as black can be. It is for like those bold liner looks. It's waterproof. You can use it in your waterline as well. So it is absolutely amazing. So I can't believe it. That's all of the products. This is best used with the brush as well. So that was like a good pairing. I'm so excited. I can't believe everything that I got here. It was absolutely amazing. Hands down, definitely worth the 150 Australian dollars. Yeah, I'm super impressed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly assemble the little magnetic palette, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So I have assembled the palette. This is what the shades look like. And I have done some swatches here. I've just quickly filmed a little bit on my phone, so I'll add it in for you so you can see it close up, because I did it on the inside of my arm, so you can hardly see it because it's all the way down there. But I'm so excited with everything. I cannot wait to create a look using this palette. I'm going to try and do a look using just these shades, so keep an eye out for that. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. I certainly did. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!